Perseo is the tool that allows integrated searching of printed and digital bibliographic resources available at the University of Vigo Library, as well as other external resources. To access it, go to the university's website, click on Library, then Search, and then Perseo search engine. Although it is not necessary to log in to perform searches, it is recommended to sign in order to use additional functions such as viewing and renewing your loans, as well as accessing subscription resources if you are connecting from outside the university. Perseo offers two search options: Simple and Advanced. We enter the terms in the search box, in this case microbiology and immunology. In the drop-down menu that opens automatically, we can choose whether to search for the terms in all content, only in the library catalog, only in electronic resources, or in the course reserves. We choose to search in everything. The results can be reordered and filtered by different criteria, such as whether they are available online, in open access, or held at the library. In this instance, let's suppose we are only interested in books in Spanish or English. In this section, we will see the filters we have activated. The results page provides brief information with the title, author, year of publication, type of resource, and availability. In this case, it's online. By clicking on these three dots, a series of icons appear that allow us to export the reference to different reference managers, download it as an RIS file, print it, or email it. When a result shows that several versions have been found, it means there are different editions of the work. To see them, we must click on View All Versions. To exit this window, click Back to Results List. Clicking on a title opens a new window with all the information about the document: title and author, the library or libraries where it's available, and its code number, which indicates its physical location within the library. In the Send To section, we have export icons, and in the Get It section, if we are signed in, we can reserve the title by indicating the library where we want to pick it up. To close the window and return to the results page, click the X on the left. In this case, we will search for journal articles about tourism in Galicia. First, we select electronic resources, then enter the first term while keeping any field selected. Choose the corresponding Boolean operator, in this case the default AND, and in the second field, set it to retrieve items where the term Galicia appears in the title. If needed, we could add more lines. In material type, we choose articles, and we can also specify the language or narrow the search by date. On the results page, in the left-hand column, we also have filters to further refine our search. When we click on a title, we access the complete information and can see all the sources that provide access to the full text of the document. Here we see that we have online access throughout two different providers, with varying availability. Sometimes access to the full text of the document is direct, but other times it will take us to the journal's main page, where we have to locate it by its publishing year, volume, and a specific issue. This information is given in the resource description, so in this case, we must go to the year 2019, volume 30, issue 2, and select pages 307 to 326. If we are interested in periodical publications, such as scientific journals or newspapers, we can use the Journal Search tool. We can search for a specific one by entering its title or ISSN directly. Or we can select one of the categories on the left-hand side to find them by subject area. For example, let's search for journals in the field of law, politics and government, and within them select political science. The results show us both electronic and print journals in alphabetical order. If we open one of them, we can access all its information. Below the export links, we have a search box for articles within the journal by title or keyword. This section lists the providers offering full text access. In this case, DOAJ from 2019 and Free eJournals from 2006. This publication is also available in print in the libraries of all three campuses. Finally, in the top menu, we have direct access to the list of electronic resources and the library guides prepared by the library. By clicking on the three dots, we can also access forms to suggest a purchase request, an interlibrary loan, or any other resource.